Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make collagen juice. First, gather your simple ingredients: collagen powder, your favorite fresh fruits, and some water. For the collagen, aim for 1 to 2 scoops of a high-quality, unflavored powder. This ensures a neutral base for your juice. Next, pick out your fruits. Berries, citrus, or even a handful of spinach work wonderfully to add flavor and nutrients. Now, let's get blending. Start by pouring about 1 cup of water into your blender. This helps everything mix smoothly. Then, add your selected fresh fruits and the 1 to 2 scoops of collagen powder. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high speed. Continue blending until the mixture is completely smooth and there are no visible lumps, ensuring a perfect consistency. Once blended, it's time to customize your collagen juice. If you prefer a sweeter taste, add a natural sweetener like a teaspoon of honey or a few drops of stevia. For a refreshing, chilled drink, simply add a handful of ice cubes to the blender and blend again briefly or pour over ice. Serve your delicious collagen juice immediately in a glass to enjoy its full benefits and fresh flavor. Incorporating collagen juice into your daily routine offers several fantastic benefits. Collagen is known to support healthy skin, promoting elasticity and hydration, and also contributes to stronger hair and nails. Regular consumption may also improve joint comfort and mobility, helping you feel more agile. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your homemade collagen juice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.